Welcome to our comprehensive guide on YouTube channel monetization and AdSense setup. Let's kick things off with an introduction to what YouTube monetization is all about. To monetize your channel, you'll need to meet the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, including watch time and subscriber count. Monetizing your channel allows you to earn revenue from your content, turning your passion into a potential income stream. Now, let's dive into the crucial step of linking your YouTube channel to AdSense. You'll access the monetization settings directly within your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is your command center for earnings. From there, you'll initiate the AdSense account linking process, a straightforward journey to connect your channel to your income. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up your AdSense account for success. You can either create a new AdSense account or link an existing one, ensuring a smooth transition for your earnings. You'll need to provide accurate personal information for AdSense approval, a critical step for verifying your identity and ensuring proper payments. Verifying your address and identity is a mandatory step, safeguarding your account and ensuring secure transactions. Let's move on to activating monetization on your videos, the exciting part. You have the flexibility to enable ads on individual videos or your entire channel, giving you full control over your content strategy. Choosing optimal ad placements and types can significantly impact your earnings, so strategize wisely. Now that you're earning, let's discuss how to monitor your progress. YouTube Analytics is your go-to tool for tracking video performance and understanding your audience. For detailed revenue reports, check your AdSense account to get a complete overview of your earnings. In conclusion, monetizing your YouTube channel is a rewarding journey. Recap the benefits of monetization, highlighting the financial opportunities and growth potential. Don't forget these tips for maximizing your earnings. Create engaging content, promote your channel, and optimize your ad strategy.